maraming salamat po sa pagkilala na ito. And we also want to thank GMA Network and Sparkle for giving us the opportunity to host such an inspiring program, which is The Clash. So actually, pang 7th year na po namin ito. So, nagpapasalamat po kami dahil nabigyan kami ng opportunity na makilala po ang mga talentong Pilipino.
Ngayon po, maraming salamat po sa PMPC, sa lahat po na bumubuo ng The Clash. Mga bosses po namin ng The Clash, Miss Ruth, Miss Gigi, Miss D, maraming salamat po. And umasa po kayo na mananatili po kami isang platform para makilala ang mga talented na Pilipino at ang mga talented na Pinoy singers natin sa bansa. Maraming salamat.
Congrats, Julie Her!
Iming,
yes,
dito sa susunod na award, sigurado ako mapaproud ka. Yeah, because this next award is the star for the best reality show hosts. So may S.
Yes.
Marami to. And the star goes to Bianca, Robbie, Kimi, Melay, Enchong, and Alexa for Pinoy Big Brother, Gen 11, TV5, and A2Z.
Maraming salamat po for always supporting Pinoy Big Brother. Ito po talaga ang kwento ng totoong buhay, and we're very thankful sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin. Lalo na't may bago kaming bahay na nasa GMA7 po ang PBB Collab. Kaya maraming salamat. More power po sa lahat ng sumusuporta, lalong-lalo na po kay Kuya. At sa lahat ng mga nangangarap sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
The next two awards are for the Best Sports Show and Best Sports Show Host. The star for Best Sports goes, the star for Best Sports Show goes to The Scorecard, while the Best Sports Show Host is Anton Rojas, The Scorecard, Billionaire News Channel.
I want to give a shout out first to my teammates here sa Billionaire News Channel. My amazing co-host, Erica Christensen Lee, who just got married recently. Palakpakan natin siya. Our executive producer, hindi na papagod to, she's all over the place, Jackie Aspiras. Our writer, Tony, and the best graphics artist in the business, Jay Vasquez. And of course, our writer as well, Aya. Shout out to you. I'm gonna bring out my phone because I have a lot. It's good to be back home. Maraming salamat sa PMPC for this honor and again for having the ceremony here tonight at ABS-CBN. As I said earlier, dito po nagsimula yung career ko, sports broadcasting. My journey started here back in 2009. Naalala ko one night after taping, sinabi sa akin ng EP ko for my very first show. She spoke to me and issued a challenge that forever changed my life. Sinabi niya sa akin, Anton, kung gagawa ka ng pangalan, dito ka magsisimula. And that moment changed my life. I went on to serve our audience as a kapamilya for 11 years and was blessed to resume my career as a kapuso and then kapatid at ngayon, milyonaryo. Thank you sa lahat ng mga EP, directors, all my fellow talents, lahat ng mga athletes and coaches that I've covered and have become friends with. Big shout out to our bosses sa BNC, Mr. Hill Kabakungan, Mr. Ray Morfil, and Sheriff Avila. Maraming salamat for giving a chance for us to do what we love. To me, I really feel like I have the best job in the world simply because I love what I do, and that's to be a star in my role in providing the best sports coverage to the Filipino sports fan here and worldwide. It hasn't been an easy journey. It took me 16 years to get this, my first major individual award, and winning this as well as Best Sports Show with my team, The Scorecard, is like winning an MVP in a championship. So to anybody watching right now na may pangarap to make a name for himself or herself in whatever field he or she chooses, know that with patience, perseverance, and prayer, any challenge can be overcome. Maraming salamat po. Good evening, everybody.
Wishes do come true.
Wow, sana all.
Ganong hinirit. Grabe naman yung wish na yan. Lalo-lalo na sa programang ito na maraming pangarap ang natutupad. And the star for Best Public Service Program goes to Wish Ko Lang, GMA 7!
Na matupad at magampanan pa rin namin ang aming serbisyong totoo. Salamat po.
And the star for Best Public Service Program host goes to Dr. Edinel Calvario, Healing Galing, GMA 7.
Presenting the trophy from PMPC.
Ninyo sa aking munting ambag sa ating industriya, sa ating public service program na Healing Galing. Iniaalay ko rin ito sa aking sa aking Healing Galing family, at kami po ay nasa 15 taon na ngayon na nag-aalay ng alternatibong gamutan sa natural na paraan. Dahil naniniwala po kami na may hatid na kalusugan ang luntiang kalikasan. So gitna po ng napakamahal na gamutan na natin sa ospital, patuloy po kami nagsasaliksik ng mga halamang gamot na may pantutulong lalo na sa mga nasa laylayan na hindi kaya ang gamutan sa ospital. Kaya magpapatuloy pa rin po kami at magsisilbi itong dagdag na inspirasyon para po sa patuloy na public service ng Healing Galing. Maraming pong salamat.
The PMPC also gives special recognition to members of the press and media who have extended their channels to help, support, and initiate advocacies that will help alleviate the conditions of our less fortunate kababayans. Her main advocacy, Leave Nobody Hungry, created an impact as well as her outstanding and extraordinary contributions and achievements in the field of agriculture, infrastructure, and farming modernization, serving as inspiration to Filipino families nationwide through her courage, spirit, compassion, and dedication to community service. The 38 Star Awards for Television Philanthropist Award goes to Miss Virginia Rodriguez.